Host Pat Walker at Mission Winners. I hope you're all doing good. Yeah, it's me. I'm out there. They let me out. Don't tell anybody. I'm on probation. Just kidding. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you. I think this is really important. A lot of people are sitting there talking, man, look, the market's going up. Man, the market's moving around. What am I going to do? What am I going to buy? A lot of people say, well, I'll try this and I'll try that. You know what? Take the time, take the effort to find what works. What works? It's what we teach at Mission Winners. It's not like, well, let's throw something up on the wall and hope it sticks. That ain't a plan, okay? You know what's going to happen? That's a really crummy plan. I kept it clean, all right? We don't want to do that. Our background is doing research and finding out what works. I've been doing this since 1985, 86. My goal is this. I'm after winning stocks. I want to try to buy them at the right time. I want to try to ride trends at the right time and just do as long as they do. By the way, there's a great quote. You'll never go broke taking a profit. That's a lie. You can say, what? What? No, really, if you think about it, if you take really small profits, but your losses are bigger, you're going to have a problem, folks. You got to let trends ride as long as possible. I can't stress it enough. So here we are. I'm sitting here reading an article. This is from Investors Daily. This is from 2008, okay? You'll love this. The name of this article, look for superior earnings and sales growth. And I'm just going to read you one paragraph. This will excite you. I actually like this stuff, okay? In a study of the 600 most successful stocks from 1952 to 2001, 3 out of 4. Now that's a statistical edge. I used to teach statistics on the university level, advanced statistics to advanced classes. So I'm big on numbers. There's an edge. 3 out of 4 is an edge. 3 out of 4 had earnings increases averaging more than 70%. Folks, that's big. 3 out of 4, you can go to the bank with numbers like that, okay? You can go to the horse track with numbers like that, but don't do that, okay? Please. 3 out of 4 had increases of earnings of 70% or more. The 1/4 that did not had an average earnings gain of 90% the following quarter. So let's just put this out there. Focus on stocks, and this is a big foundation. Focus on stocks that are in leading groups, that have great chart patterns, that are within 15 to 20% of 52-week highs, that have earnings up, and I'm going to be a little looser here, but this works. Earnings up at least 40% or higher. Focus on that. I'm not kidding. 40% or just I might miss something. I don't care. Hey, this is your money. Why not? Why sit there and say, well, I'm going to put it on a horse that might do good? Why don't you put it on a proven horse? That's a statistical edge that you can use. Focus on companies that are in the top 40 groups, that are above the 50-day, that are within 15 to 20% of 52-week highs, that are not low priced. You know, don't stay away from all that crud, okay? Stick on stocks that are $12 to $15 a share that trade at least 200 to 300,000 shares a day. That's where money's made. Focus on stocks that last quarter's earnings were up 40% or higher, or last quarter's sales were up 40% or higher. You don't need both, one or the other. And then take it a step further. Look for them in a good market. Look for clean and simple chart patterns that, when they push through there, volume shows up. I say this all the time. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Hey, folks, I want to go where they're voting. Don't you? Don't you? And here's the best part about it. Let's suppose you see a good setup and you buy it and no volume comes into it. It means nobody else saw what you saw. You know what that means? It means you're wrong. If you have a stock that doesn't start pushing away right when you're buying it, and volume's not flooding it on the hourly and 30-minute charts, nobody saw it. You're wrong. Accept it. Manage it. Always limit your losses. I can't stress that enough also. So now we have an edge. You're focusing on stocks that are in leading groups, that are within 20% of 52-week highs, that are over the 50-day, that have an accumulation distribution of A or B, all right? And last quarter's earnings were at 40% or higher, or last quarter's sales were at 40% or higher. That's sweet potato pie in my book. Now, I'm going to show you something here, all right? Watch this. The joys of modern technology. Boom. Tesla, right here. Leading group. Great numbers at the time. Late for not right through there. Boom. Off to the races. Clean and simple. It's vanilla. There's nothing fancy about this. We bought this right here, all right? And it's lifted up. Now, these are max list stocks. I want to show you another one. Watch this. Right here. NVIDIA. This tried to go, and it's not really pushing yet, is it? But good volume here. There's not a lot of push, but it's a clean and simple base. Is it going to go? I don't know, but watch this one. Netflix. Entry right there. We bought that. Max list stock. Pushing right through here. Look at the lift. That's power, folks. Look at the volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Guess what? They voted. Another one. Amazon. Max list stock. I'm going to do a great education for you, all right? Nice tops going across here, all right? It's a max list stock. It is a franchise stock. Nobody does what Amazon does as good as Amazon does it. There's a fact for you. Advance it. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. We bought this stock right here, all right? Our average cost is $1953.20, and I can document that. $1953.20. Boom, boom. You know what I call that? I call that sweet. I call that really nice. Just like this. Did we sell some into strength? Yes, we did. Does it work every time? Nothing works every time, but it works more times than it doesn't. You can go in and you can see charts that consistently have a clean and simple chart pattern that you can buy it and make money. And it works. It works. Focus on that and you'll dramatically improve your odds. Focus on stocks, as I said, that have great earnings and are great sales. I'm going to switch the camera back. There I am. Great earnings and are great sales that are in great groups. Look for good chart patterns. Look for chart patterns that everybody can see. And here's why. You want other people to see what you see, don't you? Why? So they'll buy too. I mean, come on, isn't that what you're after? You want other people flooding the stock too. And just let it push away. Let it push away and ride trends. Let's talk a little bit about trends. Just want to help you with this, okay? I was an IBD co-leader for about 12 years, so yeah, I'm firmly ingrained in the system. We try to take it to different levels though, okay? We're stringent. We're very, very stringent. I'll tell you something. If you wait for the cup and a handle formation, you're going to starve to death. It doesn't happen enough, all right? I'm not knocking that. It's a great setup, but find a couple other tools in your toolbox that can help you make money. I'm just laying the cards on the table, all right? Try to focus on chart patterns that everybody can see, and when they go through those pivot prices, they explode. I'm going to give you an example of that right now. Watch this, folks. You're going to like this. Here we go. I'm switching the camera to here. You can say, I don't see anything here. I agree. But watch this. And I'm going to change this, and we're going to shrink this. Look at that. You've got a nice long base from here to here. Max list stock. You see that? Look at the volume push here. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Look at the volume picking up. Yeah, we picked it up there. And what does it do? That's a good run, folks. That's a really good run. That's what we're looking for. Focus on those patterns that everybody can see. And when they go, volume confirms the buy spot. And you will be in charge of your destiny in relation to the markets. It's what we do. Hey, thank you very much. I hope this helps you. We'll be making more videos like this, okay? Just to let you know, and we'll keep turning it up a notch, higher and higher. And I thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.